Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about can could usage in English. Let us start our video. Can could we are using to speak in our daily life. We use can to talk about present abilities. Okay, here we are watching the examples of can. My sister can play the violin very well. Okay, it is the ability of the person, and I can't speak French. Lisa can sing beautifully. Okay, it is a present abilities. We are talking about the person abilities in present situation. We use could to talk about the past abilities. When he was younger, David could swim very well. Okay, it is also ability in the past tense. We are using Maria could not read and write when she was 4. Okay, already it's happened action. Okay, so we can call it as past abilities. In both we are talking about the abilities, but the difference is here we are talking present situation. We can use can and we can use could while we are talking about past action. Okay, and find the difference can could. Here we are watching some examples of can and could. Ability, I can speak 4 languages. Present ability, here we are watching. And possibility also we are watching here. Alcohol can cause cancer. Okay, present possibility we are discussing here. And permission, while we are asking permission in a friendly manner, we can use can I use your book please. Here the question we are asking to permission, or we can use question in a friendly manner. And could also we can use ability, past tense ability, and possibility and permission. While we are asking permission also we can use could. He could play football when he was a kid. Already it's happened ability. And next, a lot of crime could be prevented. In the past we are using this. And next, permission also, could I take your book please, in a polite manner we can ask the question. And we use the model can to talk about the ability in the present. Okay, see here, I can speak English. And we are talking about the ability of the person here. You can drink my tea and read my book then. I can meet you tomorrow. We are saying something by using can. She is old. She can't play tennis. So we are talking about the possibility and ability of the person, and we are asking question in a friendly manner by using can. Can I ask a question? We use the modal verb could to talk about ability in the past. When I was 6, I could ride a bike. We could not go out. What could they draw? They could draw a horse. We are asking question and answer we are giving. In a friendly manner we use can, and in polite manner we can use could here. Okay, as can and could will be used about the ability of the person, we can use in the place of can and could we can use able to, be able to. They are not able to write correctly. In the can place we can use this, and could place we can use be able to. Will she able to cope with the work? Here we are watching will they be able to find the key. The child is not yet able to write. Here we are watching the examples of can could by using. We can use the words can could. Okay, here what we are watching ability, possibility, permission in the same way, but we are using here present situation we can use can, and past situation we can use could. And in a friendly manner we can ask the question by using can, and in polite manner we can use could to talk about something with a person, or we are asking permission we use can and could. In the same way we are watching here present ability about the person. I can speak 4 languages. Alcohol can cause cancer. Can I use your book please? This is a can examples, and could examples also we are watching. He could play football when he was a kid. Okay, already I have explained about this. And possibility in the past tense, a lot of crime could be prevented. And while asking a question to a person in a polite manner, we can use could I take your book please, or we are asking about something else, or book or pen, whatever it may be. And here we are watching the usage. In present situation we can use can, already I have explained. Here we are watching the examples. Richard can speak in French fluently. Max was able to swim. In the place of can, we can use able to, be able to. General or specific ability we are talking about. And next could also, here we are watching could general ability, could not general or specific. See once, my sister could swim when I was 6. Okay, we are talking about the ability of the person. I could not play the piano when she was 5. Okay, we are talking about the past action. And here we are watching general ability. Okay, general ability of the person. Here we are watching what is the difference in can and could. It is in same situation we are using, but present and past is different. In can and could, in friendly manner we can use can, and in polite manner we can use could. Could I take your mobile? Like that we can use so many words. By asking permission we can use can and could, but the manner is different. With friendly manner we can ask the question in can, and by asking question in to a respected person or any person we can ask the question could by using could. Could I take your pen? Like that we can ask in a polite manner. I hope you all are liked this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will give some more videos to you, and thank you so much everyone.
ఇప్పటికైనా చేస్తాను.